Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm here in Trastevere, and I'm here in front of the Cardinal Cecilia. I think that's right. I'll show you the sign in a second. It doesn't open until 9:30, so I'm a little early, and we'll go inside and see, because there's another statue that is just over the top amazing. Let's go look. In a second, though. Okay, calm down. Bye, everybody. Okay, well. None of the gates are open except for this little tiny one on the side, and it doesn't even look all that open. So I'm gonna go in. I guess the worst they can do is yell at me and tell me to get the hell out, huh? So here we're going to see. Oh, maybe the chapel isn't open. Is it not open yet? I don't understand. Okay. Anyway, this is where Cecilia lives. We all love Cecilia, but I would think they'd open this church here eventually. We can look at the flowers because they're just beautiful. I like the little thing in the middle. But that doesn't get me in the church. And I want in the church. And it says it opens at 9:30. They open at 9:30? Open? Oh, on the sign it says 9:30. Oh, it's wrong. Okay. So 10 o'clock. Okay. Okay, thank you. Can I come look? Okay. Well, they're closed. You know, was I smoking crack? Did I just miss the... I guess they don't open till 10.
Open at 10 o'clock.
I guess. Didn't it say 9:30?
Yeah.
On the front? I know. But the lady said 10. I don't know. Huh. I guess it doesn't open till 10. All right. Am I really smoking crack, or is this just really just them Willy Wonking the hours here? Yeah, no, I'm not crazy. 9:30. Okay. Well, I guess I got a half an hour to kill. So I might as well go try one of the worst cocktails in the world, shall we? I'll be back, family. Bye-bye. Okay, I am back, and we're getting a crowd, and we're still waiting for the doors to open. You know, it makes me wonder if I can do a water shot. Let's try that. Bye, everybody. Okay, everybody, they opened the doors to the church, and we're going to go inside, and we're going to see this statue, and I hope we can get close enough. The church itself is amazing. And this is the church, but it's that up there that's amazing. I'll go around so these people can take photos. The ceiling is amazing, but I don't know if you can see it yet. You see the statue right there, the lady. And that's it. Yeah. Very cool. And they don't show her face, but her hands are just amazing, and the shroud around her body's amazing. Look at her fingers. Look at her toes. Very cool. And the church is amazing too. Very cool. Huh. I showed all the people the water trick. It's pretty cool. So the church really isn't all that exciting, but that statue is very cool. I'll be back, everybody. Bye-bye. That's incredible, incredible work. Can you imagine doing that in marble? One piece of marble, one mistake and it's all over with.